In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect QuickBooks to Excel in a quick and easy way. This is really useful if you want to analyze your financial data, create custom reports, or keep a backup of your records in Excel. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to QuickBooks, then log in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top right corner. You'll find an option called Integrations. Click on it. This section allows you to connect QuickBooks with other tools, including Excel. Now, inside the Integrations area, look for Microsoft Excel, or search for it using the search bar. When you find the Excel integration, click on it to open the Details page. Here you can see what features are available, like exporting reports or syncing data. Next, click on the Connect or Get Started button. You may be asked to sign into your Microsoft account. Just enter your details and allow the necessary permissions so QuickBooks can access Excel. After that, follow the simple setup steps. In most cases, you'll be able to choose what type of data you want to export, like sales reports, expenses, or profit and loss statements. Once everything is set, confirm the connection. Now your QuickBooks data can be easily exported or synced with Excel, making it much easier to organize, analyze, and share your financial information. And that's how you connect QuickBooks to Excel. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.